After setting your goals for the year, do you ever feel burned out or just never accomplish your goals? Well, same. This year I wanted to change things around and really put myself accountable. Just like they say, impossible is just an opinion, so in my monthly reset, I'll be showing you my progress to become that girl who knows how to budget and get her life together. Last year I tried the That Girl routine and I honestly really enjoyed it. It inspired me and motivated me. It made me want to have like a better routine. Now after a few months, of course, I kind of ended up stop doing that just because I got really into like the holidays and the weather was cold and I just like had no motivation whatsoever. So of course in my monthly resets, I definitely want to incorporate a That Girl routine a lot more into my life. And so this morning I started off by cleaning my room and setting up my bed. That is something that I pretty much do every single morning and it has definitely stuck with me from my That Girl routine. I realized I definitely need to move around a lot more and get some sunlight, okay? Because girl, I'm literally in my room all day and I don't get much sunlight and I don't go outside much. So this is a great way to just reset. Taking my 9 minutes. Whenever I try to stay organized, I like to actually use a planner, and recently I got this customized planner from Etsy and I really like it because it has like more inspiring and affirmation quotes throughout it that I kind of resonate with and that I want to incorporate into my 2022 year. Now this planner is actually really nice because it's very goal oriented, so you can write your to-do list, your what you're grateful for the day, your mood scale, the weather, literally every single little tiny detail of your day you can write it into your planner. And it's kind of nice because I can always like look back on certain days and be like, oh, so that's how I felt that day, and oh, that's what I did. Even though I already did a 2022 goals and how to make your life or your year better, it's kind of nice to actually like divide some of my goals into every single month. That way I'm not as stressed. Throughout January, I definitely wanted to focus a lot on my YouTube and social media by uploading a lot more content and just staying really diligent with my social media. Of course, budget, finance, everything that I need. For YouTube and social media, I am definitely uploading 2 videos per week on YouTube, plus 1 short if possible. And then I'll be uploading 2 to 3 TikToks every day, and I'm hoping to grow 1,000 followers this month. I know, that's a huge challenge. And then I want to start my new 30-day challenge on TikTok, which I have already. I think I have about 4 uploads already. I'm going to be uploading about 5 to 8 reels per week and 1 post per day. Of course, engagement is really important, so I'm going to try to do at least 1 hour of engagement on all of my social media platforms. Hopefully grow 1,000 subscribers this month on YouTube. When it comes to my finances and budget, I want to spend less than $150 in leisure stuff, which I will tell you, I already feel that. Of course, budget and organize on Notion, which I've done. Sell clothes on Poshmark or Depop. Become monetized on my YouTube and social medias, and then research about NFTs and hopefully get into it. NFTs is one of those things that still really confuses me. For my personal life, I want to wake up between 8 to 8:30, which I have, work out with my brother once a week, and then of course manifest and read 1 to 3 chapters per day. I want to try to get dressed and do my makeup majority of the days because I feel like I just don't focus on my appearance anymore, and it of course makes me feel worse about myself. So it will be nice to like at least try to look decent. This one sounds really weird, but I want to moisturize my body, okay? My body is like a freaking Sahara desert. I honestly have to become a lot more diligent with moisturizing my body. Lastly, I need to practice driving because This girl needs to get her drivers before her permit expires. On the other hand, when it comes to like planning out content ideas as well as like journaling or writing down my affirmations, I like to use Notion. So this month I've been trying to be a lot more diligent with my content creation, how I schedule out, write the script for my videos and all of that. So on my Notion, I also added my content my content details. Now in my content details, it kind of really helps me stay in focus with planning out my videos. So I'll write my scripts, my ideas, my timeline, and much more. So far I only wrote down my January reset, but I will be putting all the other plans that I have for January and February. And then on top of that, if I go back to my home page, I will also have my schedule. And my schedule is basically where I write down the days that I'm going to be uploading a video, and if I'm working on it already, and if it's already published. And that kind of really keeps me also on track on making sure what days are my deadlines, just because I feel like before I would literally just upload my video any random day, and I feel like it would be really good for me to actually eventually start a schedule in a way, like every Mondays or every Sundays. That way you guys know like when I'm uploading my videos. Budgeting is one of those things, to be honest, I will be really good at it for a while and then I just completely let it slip, and I am very bad at it. So I'm gonna go for my budget tracker here, and this is where I kind of have like my little cover, and then I have my savings, which I'm not going to really go into details, and then down here I have my 2021 budget tracker, and now I'm going to be starting my January of 2022. With the template that I use, it already came with kind of like a setup for your budget tracker. You do have to put an input of the spendings and stuff that you use. So I put here, so I'm going to type out January 2022, and then I already have a couple of automatic like auto payment stuff that I already put in my expenses. And so usually it's like my entertainment, like my streaming stuff, like Netflix, Amazon, all of that. And then of course I have my cell phone bill and my Apple Cloud, pretty much all of the essential stuff. I think I definitely probably already went over my fashion budget this month just because there's a really good sale, but I am trying my best not to spend anything else throughout the month. If something wants your attention, it's because the universe wants you to grow. If you're experiencing a lot of fear in a specific area of your life, that doesn't mean you should try to ignore the fear until it goes away. So last year I started to read a lot more, but I was very like sporadic with my reading. I would read like a ton of books in like a duration of a week, and then next you know I wouldn't read anything for like 3 or 4 months, and then I would read again. And so nowadays I'm trying to read at least a chapter or 2 every single day. And so lately I've been reading A Manual for Manifesting Your Dream Life by Eric John Campbell, as well as the A Court of Thorns and Roses series. I absolutely love that series, and of course it got me hooked because everyone's talking about it on Book Talk, and I know that they're gonna come out with a series, so I'm trying to like finish the whole series before the TV series comes out. But I'm right now, I believe, on the 2nd book. Yeah, I think I'm on the 2nd book of that. I really hope when they make the series for The Court of Thorns and Roses that they don't whitewash the cast. I really hope they don't do that, because I know that's something that a lot of people on Book Talk have been talking about. Like, you know, when they vision the characters, they definitely vision the characters as, you know, someone who's of darker complexion, not necessarily like really deep complexion, but like maybe like tanner, or maybe like a Turkish Middle Eastern, I don't know, but I just really hope that they do justice for the cast and that it turns out really well. Throughout my monthly recess, I definitely want to find my version of a that girl. I've definitely been really bored and just feeling like unfulfilled with life lately, especially because I'm in a situation where I feel like I can do better, and like something inside of me always tells me like I am worth more than what I am right now. Like I know that I deserve more. I know that I will get all of the abundance and prosperity in my life. I know that what I'm doing right now is my dream and that I want to continue for the rest of my life. I have all of these like feelings in me, but because my situation right now doesn't equal how I feel inside, it's almost like I feel a bit unfulfilled with everything. So I'm really hoping that these monthly resets sort of like change my routines and sort of spark something more in my life. I want to be, and I will be, a boss bitch who is financially stable, who knows how to budget herself, okay, eats well, has a very healthy environment and healthy lifestyle, and that is what I'm gonna try to keep going with my monthly resets. I hope you guys enjoy monthly resets, and let me know if there's anything in particular that you do want to see throughout these videos. This is my first video, so I hope you guys actually enjoyed it, and let me know in general what you guys think of monthly reset videos. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you guys are notified whenever I upload a video. And of course, go hit me up on my Instagram and my TikTok, which I've been a lot more diligent on TikTok, so go check it out. And diverse beauties, take care of your health, and I will see you guys next time. Love you!
Dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you, yeah. We're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be